Worker, 50-year-old mother, 2 college students, grandmother of 3, a wife of 33 years. I'm a homeowner and I'm a taxpayer since I've been 16 years of age. I'm urging our government and state legislator to move to expand Medicaid immediately. As a home care attendant, I take care of my consumer in her home and help keep her out of nursing homes, where it would cost the state 3 times as much. If Pennsylvania doesn't accept the Medicaid expansion, we will be allowing our tax money to be used to fund health care all over the country, but not here in our own state, for our own residents, and that's not right. Pennsylvanians must do everything we can do to let the state lawmakers and families know that improving the Medicaid expansion will save lives, create jobs, fund our local hospitals, and strengthen our economy.